Christian Atsu became a part of the Hatayspor football club family on September 6, 2022, and ever since then, he has worked hard for the team. He gained the appreciation and trust of his fellow athletes and club members. He showed everyone how talented of a footballer he was with the goal he scored on February 5, 2023, during the match between his team and Kasımpaşa. Before the game, he had told the management that he wanted to play, and if not, he wished to go away. He booked flight tickets for that same night to see his family. But he scored a perfect goal and stole the hearts of all. He secured victory for his team. The team dedicated that victory to Atsu, who cancelled his flight tickets to stay and shared the glory of victory with his teammates. His loss has deeply grieved our club, our country, and all football fans. An internationally renowned and appreciated football star, Christian Atsu was a good father and husband. He was also a kind-hearted philanthropist who touched the hearts and souls of many Ghanaians. 84 million strong Turkish nation loved him. His Excellency President Recep Tayyip Erdogan of the Republic of Turkey expressed condolences on behalf of the people of Turkey to his counterpart, His Excellency President Nana Akufo-Addo. Honorary President of the club, Mr. Lütfü Savaş, also extends his heartfelt condolences to the bereaved. Atsu's mortal body might have left this world, but his memory and good deeds will live forever. A human embodiment of the strong bond between Turkey and Ghana, Atsu will always be fondly remembered by the Turkish people. With these sentiments, we would like to once again express condolences to the family, friends, loved ones, and the people of Ghana for the loss of a gentle soul whose name was Christian Atsu. May he forever rest in peace. Wo Ajaba.